In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add boards in ClickUp. If you want a more visual way to manage your tasks, Board View is a great option. It lets you see work as cards arranged in columns, which can make it much easier to track progress, organize assignments, and move tasks through different stages. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a new board view and set it up so it works best for your workflow. To get started, open the location where you want the board to live. In ClickUp, that can be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on how your workspace is organized. It's important to begin in the correct location, because the board you create will be tied to that specific area and will display the tasks from there. Once you're in the right place, look near the existing view tabs at the top of the page and click the plus icon labeled View. This is where you can add a new way to look at your tasks without changing the tasks themselves. It simply gives you a different layout for working with the same information. After that, choose Board from the available view types. ClickUp offers several view options, but for this video, you'll want the board view. This format is especially useful if you like a drag and drop experience for managing tasks. Next, enter a name for your new board view. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if your team uses multiple views in the same location. A descriptive name can help you quickly identify the purpose of that board later on. You'll then choose the visibility settings for the board. Decide whether it should be public or private. A public view is typically useful when you want others in the workspace to access it, while a private view is better if you only want it available to you. Pick the option that makes the most sense for how you plan to use it. Once that's done, click Add View or Create View, depending on what your ClickUp interface shows. That will generate the new board and add it to your list of available views. After the board opens, you can customize how the task cards are organized. Click Group, then choose how you want to arrange the cards. You can group them by status, assignee, priority, or another available field. This is a helpful final step because it determines how information is displayed and can make your board much easier to work with day to day. That's how to add boards in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.